Hi, here's a short video about the AgeLOC Lumispa IO. First of all, there are two to choose from. One is the classic blue and white, and the other one is the gorgeous rose gold. In conjunction with the Lumispa, we use a very specific treatment activating cleanser, and for that reason we recommend that you download the app Vera, V-E-R-A, which is free and simple to use, and to follow the skin consultation which is on the app so that you can choose which is the best activating cleanser for you. As I said, there are 5 different ones to choose from. The Lumispa is simple, easy and quick to use. 2 minutes twice a day is absolutely perfect to get the best results. So we start our treatment by hydrating the skin with this absolutely gorgeous spray, and then just to make sure that we get the right quantity, well, I do anyway, I just always put a little bit on the back of my hand and then apply the activating treatment cleanser to the skin. For demonstration purposes, I'm just going to use this part of my face. The face is sort of divided into 4 sections, the forehead, the chin, and then the 2 cheeks. And what's really, really useful with the device is that there's a little light at the back. I don't know if you can see it, but it will lights up in quarters, so we know exactly when to change to the next area of our face, and it will also pause a little bit as well. So we're going to use smooth upward movements. It's a bit like taking the skin to the gym, and the benefits are absolutely incredible. Clarity, brightness, radiance, reduced pore size, and what I'm most interested in with is skin firmness. So there we are. There's a very short video. Just wipe the excess off with a damp cloth. It's very, very simple. Then we go over to tone and moisturize, and you're ready for the day or for a good night's sleep. So as I said, there you are. There's a little tutorial for you. I absolutely love my device. I'm so happy that I made that skin investment a few years ago, not just for the way my skin looks, but also for the way it makes me feel, and the millions of happy customers around the world. And we would love you to benefit as well. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.